welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you wait, hold on. Oh yeah, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe button, be part of next game, because that's gang is the gang of all games. So right now I'm late, you already know. Well, I'm not really on late, I'm technically on time, but I'm late because I should be here earlier. So it's 1:30, my appointment's at 1:30, and I just pulled up. Gotta get the baby out and everything. I got another facial. I can't really talk that much because I'm trying to hurry up. So I'm going to explain everything later. This will be my second facial, but I got some things to tell you about it. Before we get started, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you. We cute or whatever. No, so they said that they're getting my room ready, so I'm just waiting. So that means I must have not been late, or maybe they thought I wasn't coming, who knows, but I'm here. Okay, so now I have some time to tell y'all. So after I had my first facial, first of all, if you've never seen that video, you need to go watch that video. It's very informational. But I got a facial and I loved the way my skin felt. Like it felt like it was actually deeply, it felt like it was deep cleansed. It just felt okay. I'm out of breath for no reason. It felt really clean, long story short. And I love the glow. It didn't make like dramatic results. They always say that the magic number is 3, like you need 3 treatments of everything, and that's going to give you more long lasting beautiful effect. So I only had 1, so I'm like very curious to get my next 2. I have one scheduled in about 2 weeks, but I scheduled one in between because why not? So I like the way my skin felt. Like throughout the days my skin looked really hydrated, and my skin would usually look dry, so that was a big plus. I love the feeling. Like I was telling my boyfriend, he's like, yes, it looks very hydrated, you look good. My little sister's with, she's been like, can I go, can I get a facial? I'm like, girl, do you got facial money? So I don't know. What are these? So yeah, so this morning I woke up with like, my skin was peeling. Like it looks super duper dry, like more dry than it's ever been. Okay, I have normal to dry skin, but when my skin is dry, it don't like peel off. It's just like ashy, and like if I scratch it, yeah, it'll like flake, but it's not like noticeably dry. And that's how it was this morning. So I was kind of freaking out. I woke up with these red marks. So my boyfriend and my little sister is like, you're making it worse, you're using all these products, you're doing all of this stuff, and you're making it worse. And I'm like hard-headed, and I'm like, you know what, it's expensive. Like everybody goes to get this. Like I'm just trying to be on celebrity status. I want my skin to be super duper amazing. Let me show you close up again. It's not focusing, but normally I don't usually have all these dots, but like if I get a pimple, it would be like 1 pimple. I don't know why they're like raised. Me personally, I feel like they're raised, and I have like more noticeable bumps because when they did the
I love this.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like it looks like this because when they exfoliate it, they're like sucking out everything from your skin, so it's like it's coming out and then it's healing right back up. So it's like, I don't know, I'll ask her when I go through, but I definitely wanted to keep trying it. I'm not gonna knock it. So I'm gonna be touched up by the same lady, I'm thinking. That's what it said on my schedule. We'll see how this goes. I'm excited. Ooh, that looks fancy. It feels good. Ooh, it's like so warm.
I know.
I had an accident when I was 12, and half of my face shut down.
How long did it last for?
Some months. I gained it back, but I was not like consistent with it, so it didn't come back 100%. It came back like 90, so like I can't lift this eyebrow, and it really bothers me. So I like wearing tight ponytails because it like lifts it up. Yeah, because sometimes people are like, do you have down, like not Down syndrome, but like, do you have a lazy eye and stuff? I'm like, no. And I used to be really secure.
So Thermi Smooth will help then, because it's gonna lift it.
Yes,
it lifts the brow. That's
what I was thinking, because I was gonna like looking into facelifts and stuff, but I was like, I don't really want to do something like crazy like that.
Don't do anything crazy like that.
Oh my God,
but Thermi Smooth, you're so young that Thermi Smooth, it helps with everyone, but smoothing and tightening, and then we go around the brow, and it's gonna create contouring, and then also smooth and tighten the skin above and regenerate collagen. It really does work. It works best around the eyes. It's really effective.
Because I was looking at like the pictures, and it was like all older people, so I was like, am I gonna like
no. We do it on younger people too.
Oh, okay.
Especially before weddings and special occasions.
Yes, I definitely need something like that then. So I love the way like hydrating my skin look, because my skin is normal to dry, and like when it's dry it's very annoying. So my skin, I noticed that it was glowing up until this morning. This morning it was like dry and like patchy.
It's been a little over a week, right?
Yeah. So is it like a reverse effect if I'm not like treated frequently?
Well, we have a product called Hydra Effect, which is hyaluronic acid. It's the pure and active ingredients that Hydrofacial soaks, that we soak your skin in at the end of the Hydrofacial. So it packs all the nutrition in, and then it's a cumulative ingredient of hyaluronic acid, which is the water that your skin has. So it's buildable, and your skin will keep basically repeating itself and building water in your skin, and it fills in fine lines and wrinkles, and it helps with hydration, and it also helps with acne. So we have a product, and I put it on your face at the end of the treatment with the machine, and then I also topically put it on with the topical application, and then we have a home care product that helps continue the process. So when you're not here, your skin is continuing to build the water in it to keep it healthy and hydrated, and also acne and clear free.
So is it like also just like remaking itself like into like?
Yeah, it's buildable. It multiplies 1,000 times the weight of the water, whether it's infused or applied topically. So that's why it's recommended to use the Hydra Effect after your treatment and when you're not in between your treatments. That way you still get that result of the glow and the brightening and the hydration, because your skin's not used to hyaluronic acid. So that's why when you first get your first Hydrofacial, your skin is really happy. So
yes, it was so happy. And then I don't know, I just love the feeling of it. And I don't know if it was just the Hydrofacial or when we did the Derma-planning, but when I like apply anything, like I could feel it like working almost. Like it's like a sting, but it's a good feeling. Like when I put toner on, it just feels like it's actually working opposed to before we did it. So
yeah, because we take the top layer of your skin off. Like right now I'm doing the glycolic acid peel, and glycolic is the fastest acting ingredient for exfoliation. So this is an acid peel. It's not going to cause you to burn. It'll sting a little bit, but it's not going to cause you to burn and burn your skin off or peel or flake. It works inside the skin and then exfoliates. So then your skin will act naturally with this, and the cells will turn over. And then it helps with the exfoliation and smooths out your skin. It also helps with texture, fine lines, and it also helps with any clogged pores. So after we do the peel, then we'll do the extractions. So it makes it a lot easier, and your skin behaves a lot more normal throughout the time, especially after you leave here when we're not seeing you. Your skin will behave a lot better. But the reason your skin probably you felt like you needed another Hydrofacial is because the series is always recommended. And if you do one once a week for the first 6 weeks, your skin will totally transform. It won't go back to the same way ever again. So this is sucking all the blackheads and impurities out. If you look closely, you can see the serum being infused through the tip. So we're sucking out all the blackheads and impurities, and then infusing ingredients in to control oil, congestion. It's antiseptic. It has honey in it too, so the honey is hydrating. It's not just drying out the oil out of your skin. So it's really balancing, because a lot of products will just dry out the oil, and then they'll take all your skin's natural oils that you really need to stay healthy. So we don't want to ever pull out all the oils, because oily skin is the healthiest skin actually.
Really?
It's the healthiest, but it's the hardest to manage. It will stay the youngest too. I'm gonna do a mask for you. It's a cryotherapy mask, so it's gonna help with oxygen, and it just helps your skin breathe, and it also helps with dark circles, puffiness. It's firming, it's tightening. I'm gonna go grab it.
Yeah.
It's really cool too. You're not claustrophobic, are you?
No.
Okay, I'll be right back.
What type of mask? Vanessa.
So this has goji berries and oatmeal.
Sounds so good.
And it will plump your lips. It's crazy, but it works. It's gonna plump your lips, and it helps with puffiness. So don't be scared. We'll make sure you can breathe through your nose. And I used the sensitive skin one on you since you had dermal planing last week. So it'll help with anything from that treatment and from the peel you just had today. Like, I can't talk.
Probably gonna be good for your nose piercing.
We'll get it up. All right, we're gonna leave this on 10 minutes.
Okay, Okay, so we're back at the house. 40 minutes later. It's a long drive, but I love the feeling so much. I think I'm obsessed with it. This is what we're looking like. It still looks like I have those pimples, but as you heard, she said my face is just too sensitive for the derma-planning that I did last time. And she said most people need to come back 4 to 6 weeks, but I didn't have much hair in the beginning, and since my face is sensitive to it, I don't have to come back for some months unless, you know, it's bothering me and I really do need to come back. So yeah, so this is what my face is looking like. It feels really good. This is my second time. I do feel like it does create more bumps. I'm not sure what that's all about, but like they say, the magic number is 3. So I am gonna go back in a week and a half because that's when my original one was set up, and we're gonna see what happens. I've been cleaning my skin with, let me show y'all. So I wash my face with black African soap. That does wonders for my skin alone. So I know it's not this. Then I use this toner. This is new. I haven't been using toner until a few weeks ago. I'm not sure, it could be this or not. Let me know what you guys think about this specific toner. And this is also new. The last time I went to get a facial, one of the estheticians told me that rosehip oil is amazing, so I got the carrier oil, and I also got this rose essential oil that I put on. This is really strong by itself. I actually got the tester, shame on me, but it was still full, so no wonder. So I put that on, and that feels and smells so good. And then they gave me a sample of their serum, and I feel like this alone is what made my skin look super hydrated. I'm not sure because I have been trying a lot of new products, but I do like this. When I run out, I might just go get some more serum because I love the way my skin glows. This is also new, so they said they recommend eye cream, SPF, and moisturizer, and something else I forget, but I think it was vitamin C or E or something like that. But I purchased this at Blue Divine. I haven't noticed a difference, but then again, I don't put this on every night. So once I use all these products more frequently, I'll definitely be able to let you guys know what works for my skin. See how hydrated it looks? You can still kind of see dark marks. A lot of people are like, dark circles where? They are there, I promise you. Look, from certain angles you could tell. You could tell from certain angles. So yeah, I'm about to go to the colonic, my second one, and hopefully that goes well because I did not drink half a gallon of water like I'm supposed to. If you guys haven't seen the video of a colonic or you don't know what a colonic is, go to my main channel and check it out. It's very interesting. It's something that a lot of people are not educated about or don't know about, so I need you guys to go check it out. But yeah, that's it. I will update you guys again before I go get my third Hydra facial at Blue Divine. So if you guys ever are interested, if you guys are in Atlanta, make sure you check them out and tell them that I sent you so they know that y'all are loyal Nessa Gang supporters. But yeah, that's all for this video. I love you, Nessa Gang, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.